Hello, my name is Tamjid Shupto. I have completed my HS exam in 2025 and currently I am preparing myself for studying in China for my higher graduate programs. I got 6 in IELTS and I got the highest result of 6.5 in my listening module. Yeah, I can study in China with 6 in IELTS, but it would be better for me if I get a little bit more result in my IELTS. I studied in Liakat about 3 months. I took 2 courses from Liakat. One is IELTS Foundation and the second is IELTS Preparation courses. The journey was extremely good. I have learned a lot of things and I gained a lot of skills in English. IELTS Foundation is definitely important for students. If a student wants to study in abroad, they must need to prove their skills in English.